Hey, I'm Jack Messina with RELiON Battery, and today we're going to be going over some of our frequently asked questions specific to our Insight 48V product. RELiON does have specific charge profiles for most of the different charger brands out there. For Delta Q, we're utilizing algorithm 269 version 1.06. For Lester Summit 2s, you'd be utilizing battery profile 22227. And Pro charging systems is required to be done at factory, so you can simply ask them for a RELiON algorithm from factory when ordering the charger, or order those chargers direct from us. The profiles and directions for selecting them are best available by contacting us directly, but also at the manufacturer level as well. For more information on our Insight product, please visit our website, relionbattery.com, and especially look at our help center that's on there. It's full of tons of details, videos, and all sorts of info that can be very useful. Again, I'm Jack Messina with RELiON Battery, and I'll see you next time.